FastandFunRC. In today's episode, I'll be unboxing the LDARC M58 158 scale RC car. I'll be showing what comes in the box. I'll be testing it out on the racetrack. I'll also be showing some accessories that we can attach to the car to have fun. A closer look at the packaging of the car. It comes with some of the features. It has a run time of 40 minutes. It has a voltage alarm. There are 3 modes, 30%, 60% and 100%. It comes with rubber tire, fully proportional control. It has a built-in battery and it has shock absorbers. It's written on the carton, this model is not a toy. Please read manual before use. Wow, this is what the car looks like. It comes with 2 extra shells, a yellow and an unprinted one. You have your set of instructions. M58, it says 14 plus, and it comes in grayscale and color. This is the police version. It comes with all round shock absorbers. It's a 158 scale monster truck. Comes with big rubber tires. The motor is exposed and I will put it to the track to test. The M58 weighs 53.4 grams. And a closer look at the size comparison. This is a 164 scale R01 by LDARC. This is the 143 X43 crawler by LDARC. The 158 scale fits in between the 164 scale and the 143 scale, and this is a size comparison to the LDARC V64 and the R01. To pawn on the car, it has a small knob behind it, and it pairs with the CT01 controller. It's fully proportional in steering and in acceleration. Comes with lights. Open up with the accessories. You have 2 balls. It comes with this for wheelie and this a rake to kind of move the ball around. However, looking at the screws, one of the screws is missing, and because of that I will not be able to install this. I will just drive the car and make use of some jumping ramps.